If you're not drinking your gut care this summer, what are you doing? As a Rajasthani, I've grown up having this healthy probiotic jaw ki rabdi every single summer. It starts with jaw ka dalia. Barley is naturally low in gluten, high in fiber, and packed with cooling properties that make it super gut friendly. We mix it with charch, water, and salt, then cook it on low flame until it comes to a boil. If it hasn't softened, add a little more hot water and let it cook. Once it thickens and turns creamy, let it cool down completely. Once it has cooled down, add fresh charch and mix until smooth and lump free. Season with bhuna jeera, pudina, salt, black pepper, fresh coriander, just a bit of green chili and black salt. Add ice and serve chilled.